cat tray, a shit tray. Oh right, okay, so that's fine then. Is there anything else that you need? Right, okay. He won't be injected or defleed there, that's the only thing. Yeah, I don't know how old he is. Yeah, he'll be 8 weeks on the 17th, I think, or 9. I don't know, I'll have to count that. Hmm. Yeah. Is he going to be...
Hello, Fluffy.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, that's it. Oh, should we go play with this then, shall we?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, you know, he's a real boy. He's a definite boy. Gets his nose in the food first. And... Yeah. Yeah. You got no cat, no girls, no boys rather. It's a bit like here when Jamie's away. I'm the only boy in the house. You do really feel it. It's horrible.
Hang on, hang on. There it is. It's on your pencil, kitties.
Mm.
Ooh. Goodbye. Good night. Don't take the toy off of other kitties.
Yeah.
Come on, come on. Ooh.
No, no. No.
That's
Oh,
Fluffy
yeah.
then. It's Fluffy. Come on, Fluffy.
50 quid, Mum. 50 quid and a pint of beer, please. Oh, the cow pie ready. Is it? Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's
Hello,
good to keep
Night.
them.
Hello.
Mm. 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 Yeah. Yeah. That's right. He's back till next weekend. Yeah. No, it's alright. Yeah. Yeah, he'll be alright. I think he'll be fine. I think he'll be fine. He'll be fine. Yeah, I think he'll be alright with it. I'll have a chat with him later. He's a bit busy. He's a bit busy at the moment videoing him, so yeah. That's just noisy balls, I think. Noisy, chasey balls. They might just not like that because it's too, too noisy. Well, there you go. Alright then, well, I'm going to squirt off because I want to ring our young Sarah and see if I can grab a 5 or 10 minute. Mum should be in bed now, wouldn't she? Half past 9, I'll ring it tomorrow. That's probably a better idea, ring it tomorrow actually. No, Sarah. Our Sarah, because I haven't spoken to our Sarah for weeks. Yeah, she alright? Good. Yeah. just like when we were kids then. Except the tables were on the other foot. Yeah. I still remember Mum breaking his glasses with the washing up thingy she threw at him. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ, I've got anything now. Ooh. That's unfair. I'm very good now. Yeah. Alright then, well, I'll leave you to it then. Yeah, you take it easy. Go find some wine after he's gone to bed. No, that sounds good. I've got a couple of cans of beer here and we'll finish them off. Yeah. Not now, Garden, no. No. Alright. Thanks.